Good morning, Jamaica. There's breaking news of a daring bank robbery this morning in Halfway Tree. Stay tuned for more details. The robbery took place at the Halfway Tree branch. The police have no leads at this time, but there's ongoing investigation. In other news, the police them still investigating the identity of the so-called gangster top man.
We are live outside the Bank of Kingston, where a tense hostage situation is unfolding. Police tactical units have just arrived on the scene. We have breaking news. Armed robbers managed to escape through the rear exit.
That's right, they slipped right out the back door, making their getaway moments ago.
The police them already turning the corner. Trapped! Let's go! Unit 31, we're in the lower level. Come to the lower level. 10-4. You see, I get too loud. Kingston always loud, me G.
DJ Bombo Clap, man.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.
Boss, we have a little situation.
Look like mosquito or look like police siren?
Mad dog step out of line.
Dog always bark loud when them tie up.
So what we a do?
Nothing.
Nothing?
When man want attention, silence hurt them more.
And if he try move upon we territory?
Then he learn difference between bark and bite.
You want me send message?
Yeah.
Man, where can't manage his temper, won't manage city?
Every dog feel big when they're there far from the gate.
You say your time done.
Everybody loud before midnight. Midnight decide who's still breathing.
You want it handled? Call Silvio.
You sure? Mad Dog wanted attention. Silvio gives permanent solutions. Let him bark tonight. Tomorrow, silence.
In 3 days, me gone like breeze.
We never see you before. You's a uptown breeze or downtown cyclone?
Me whichever one mash up your night.
Hey, what's this in my drink?
What's this in my drink?
I got you. Here. I want you.
Hey, good night.
Enjoy yourself.
Girl, if this is your idea of a quick remind me never trust you again.
Cho, stop complaining. You know you didn't miss the vibes.
Okay. What's going on?
We need a little favor.
Every time you say that, trouble follows.
You see the VIP section up there?
Yeah. The one with the giant bouncer who looks like he bench presses cars?
Yeah, him. What about him? I need 2 minutes to reach the upper level to locate the ledger. You want me to divert the attention of the large guard so you can access the restricted office? Technically, yeah. You know, normal friends ask for rides to the airport.
You love excitement.
I love brunch.
2 minutes. That all I need.
Fine. But if I get thrown out of this club, you're buying breakfast tomorrow.
Deal.
Hi. Quick question.
Yeah?
Do you think my ex might be here tonight? All right, now, let me see if I can find something credible. 3-day plan. What is this man into? Boat ready? What that means? I just argued with the bouncer for 10 minutes about my shoes.
Them shoes look like they survived one hurricane still.
Excuse you, these are vintage. But real talk, respect to come out tonight. Michelle, we grow up together. Used to get mangoes from my yard and blame the neighbor's dog. A lie. The dog guilty.
When does you get the info?
I found something but don't make any sense yet.
Is this the place? It is. Let's go inside and see about our old friend.
I'm not sure they are the right place.
What'd he say?
He asked if we're in the right place. I'm here to see a man.
Me think definitely they are the wrong place.
Maybe, but I'm here to see Jerome.
Jerome busy tonight.
Tell him Silvio is here.
Trust me, he'll want to hear that name.
Jerome busy tonight. All right then, go inside. But behave on yourself.
No promises.
Silvio. Long time.
Boss, this place nice. Real nice.
Try remember you're inside somebody else's house.
Respect.
Me call on cause we have like a problem.
What kind of problem?
Mad Dog. That little clown? Him still talking?
He not understand ranking. Little man I try bark like big dog. You better cure it.
Ambition can be dangerous when it's misplaced.
Him start move crew near my side. Chat say Kingston need new boss.
Man brave when them get 2 new gun and 1 Instagram video.
Problem is, he's starting to believe him own story. And you want the story to end.
Me want the chapter close.
Permanent solution?
Yes. Boss, we can handle that tonight.
Messy endings attract attention. Clean endings disappear. And you want the story to end.
That why me call you.
Then consider your problem handled.
To silence.
All right, listen up. I went inside Top Shogger Lounge last night.
You went undercover alone?
Not alone. I got help to create a little distraction.
That little distraction almost get the bouncer engaged to her.
But while everybody distracted, me find this. Top man planning another move. Big shipment, midnight drop.
You're sure about this?
Certain. The office full of schedules, routes, everything.
So what we waiting on? Let's go mash up the party.
Slow down. If we move smart. You just gave us our first real lead. Let's bring Top Man in.
Yes, sir.
Next time, though, Nikki come in undercover too.
Peart, nobody believe you in a nightclub. Peart, you're serious? We just start working and you're already eating.
Investigation require fuel. Science prove that.
We heading to Big's cook shop.
Biggs, the man went gossip more than radio?
Yeah.
I have a lead.
Where?
A man named Biggs runs a cook shop.
He's been talking.
Talking about what?
Mad Dog, the robbery.
Movement.
Location?
I'm heading there now.
So you think Top Man really robbed the armored truck?
Something not add up. Top man deal with bigger business.
True. Him more international criminal type.
But Biggs always hear things first.
because his cook shop is basically Kingston News headquarters.
Not far from there. Brownie, step on. Me hungry bad. Big's jerk chicken always fix everything. Food and money, that's all you care about. Food first, money after. Hold up.
Lord, police already? Me just open.
Relax, Biggs. We're not here for the chicken.
Biggs, we need talk.
Me no know nothing.
We never even asked yet.
Big's chatting.
I think him just chatting with the girl.
Nah, Biggs look too uncomfortable.
But you can't tell anybody.
Big's chatting. You think he talking about us? If him talking, we have problem.
Biggs, armored truck robbery yesterday morning.
Old Kingston talking about that.
Yeah, and Kingston saying top man behind it.
Nah, man, that not top man style.
Then whose style?
Biggs, we have patience, but we also have appetite.
All right, me here say Mad Dog crew do that job.
Mad Dog?
Yeah, man. He want prove himself. Try show Kingston he big now.
Robbing armored truck for impress people.
But Mad Dog sloppy. Him crew bragging already.
Where they hiding?
Warehouse side, Portmore.
Police? Yeah, and not regular patrol either. That a Detective Mendez. You sure? Yes.
Me just cook food. Me no want problem.
So the little puppy trying to play big dog,
Biggs, you help already.
and your dumpling help too.
Next time when I come, at least buy lunch first.
Yeah, man. Me see her before. Look on that. Man interrogating while he eating lunch. Maybe them just come for food.
Change of situation.
What happened?
Your problem is already here.
We leaving? Yeah. But tonight me having conversation with Biggs.
Kingston Wharf?
Kingston Wharf.
Good. Me still hungry.
Focus, Peart.
That's him. Yeah, the puppy finally leave the yard. You sure he heading home? Man like that no go home when pressure upon him. He going where he feels strong. Me go in. Alone. Alone. Some conversation, I need audience.
So you them call top man, the man where everybody a talk about. So you're the wanna be bad man. Anything you say, me G? Didn't expect VIP visit. Me hear you're making moves. Man have to grow. Grow or reach? Same thing. No. One take time. The other get you in trouble. Me come to understand why you feel ready. Maybe me just tired of watching. Watching teach you patience. Running ahead, teach you consequence.
You have enough now.
Me just a get started.
It now go pretty next time.
Hey, you sure this is the place?
Yeah, man.
Mendez, are you ready for this?
Me born ready. Are you ready for this?
The target is in position. Wait for my signal.
Drive, my lord. Drive. Brownie, where you there?
We see the police them and left the scene.
Me I come get you now.
All right, let's move.
Boss, the target is gone.
I don't like this.
Something's not right. Them spot top man down the road.
Let's go.
Good.
Come then.
Pull over! Pull over! Come on! Get ready! Go, go!
Go, go, go!
Come on, go! You get hit!
Rich, you breathe, you fight, you die, you're useless.
You can run. Just don't get tired.
Wagon. Uno lost?
We good. Just passing through.
Evening. You choose wrong place for pass through.
Or maybe right place.
Get in the car.
We're just getting started.
Top man disappear, and Mad Dog is nowhere to be found.
We sorry, Chief.
We can't find Mad Dog anywhere.
Them can have Kingston to themselves now. Brownie, you're good. Yeah, me good. Thanks to you. Them think they see the last of me. But in the meantime, let's get the hell out of here.
sense tonight. You think you could get away? Think again. Ah!